I gotta make this pin right here. It's just a piece of 1.5" standard pipe, and for a local place around here. And what I do is I write me a material list down to where it's easier for me to look for the stuff and kind of draw it up. And I found this. It's got a, it's regular, it's not the, it's good enough, but it's got a little test of what on there from I don't know who or what, but we're going to use this old scrap piece. That's why it's good that I keep every little tiny piece of drop I got until it's like totally useless. Some of this stuff is totally useless, like other places would throw this piece of 3/8 plater away. There's still, I don't know, I could make more stuff out of that even. Or that's just a test your welder up piece. You know, or this. Or even these little pipes. Look, I'm about to use a little pipe similar to this to do a whole project. That's what I got going on today. And then I got to get back on this guy right here. This console deal. I got to make the little deals to hold the shifter in. This goes in here like that. And then I'm going to try to get him to get cable shifters to put in here. But, you know, so I'm going to mark all this stuff out. Got it marked up with the pipe wrap to clean that end up. No, probably gonna cut it with this bad boy right here. Or, I don't know. Oh, I got the table thing on the bandsaw right now. It's for doing like little small parts, but. And then my puppy dog had a party in here. She had a shop party. She tore these little foam packing deals up. Most of these boxes are empty. She was tearing that foam deal up there. She was having a good time while I was fixing the kayak. I'm going to chop this out real quick. So that's straight enough for now. It just got barely a little bit of that weld was in there. Show you how to make this. Everybody's seen this. Oh yeah, we need to measure a length mark on it. These right here are some of the best things you can get. The Bauer 6-foot tape. This is like a layout man's tape. Because most of the time you're measuring less than a foot. on a lot of your layout stuff. I don't know why you'd need a 30-foot tape to do everything. I guess you like carrying around weight. Get that right there. When I worked at B&D, we didn't really, most of the stuff we done, we used a time card for a pipe rack. So you can see the mark on there now, and you just follow the line. Look, if you're a real professional, you got multiple grinders. Oh, wrong way. If I got a treat for you guys, this is the ultimate powerhouse of the 8-inch drill press from yours truly. The spindle speeds are 620, 1100, 1720. The slowest it'll go 620. I'm gonna have to, this is supposed to be a 13/16, but I'll just use the 7/8, but I'm gonna do something I don't usually do, and that's start with the proper size drill bit. The way you do this is so the web of the drill, you don't want your bit to be any wider than the web of your drill. So you don't step drill nothing. I don't think that's correct. You should go, which I'm gonna go, I don't know, this 1/8 inch. I'm gonna send the 1/8 inch all the way through this. It's just quarter. And then I'm gonna go the rest of the way through it with this. And you guys are gonna suffer with me. I could use the mill, but I don't want to. I want to torture this thing. I don't think drilling in the mill is great for it. I usually just mill in the mill. And if I gotta drill a bunch of precision space holes or something like that, uh-oh, we better slow this sucker down. She's set up there in the gears. Oh, we need to take it down all the way. This thing is quiet though. It's great for like small stuff. Oh, that's too slow for 1/8 inch. But that's okay. We ain't gonna stress over it too much. What you're wanting to see is the big, I don't know how many horsepower this thing is. It ain't much. It might be it probably says like a 1/3 horsepower when it's actually like a 1/30th of a horsepower. Sounds more like it. But this was a $5 drill press, and she has drill holes. I might end up getting tired of this myself and going over to the big machine or the mill. I think it's like 3 horse. It's the infinite variable speed deal, torque converter stuff. Oh yeah, 620 with this monster bit. I need a board or something to put this on. We'll just test the waters for now. Oh yeah, she's loving it. I don't know if you can see all that run out, but it's perfect. good look at it. Oh yeah, I know what I was doing. Put this, should I leave it on there like that? Look. Got a pipe hanging off of it. Hang on, let me find a smaller pipe and this will work. This is what I usually do. Oh gosh. I think that bit is dull. This pipe's on there. Uh-oh. Let me pull it out a little bit. Slide the pipe down on it. And it's just the weight of it. I'm not pulling on it. I think my drill bit is not the sharpest out there. Push a little bit on it. Yeah, she's not making any more chips. Let's take care of this. I gave this thing way more relief angle than I would on a more powerful machine. I'll put less pressure on this. Should just grip right away. It's probably not centered up. I wasn't too careful. Oh yeah, she's gripping. It's not ground too much off center. Uh-oh. Ran out of horsepower for a second. I need a backup piece so I don't drill through my table. This is a little block of wood real quick. I'm wearing safety glasses, by the way. Oh gosh. I'm gonna put the little pipe handle on it now. Oh no, look. Assist. Really? That's just, because I'm I like the struggle though. I like the struggle. Just like this drill press is doing. You can tell it's nervous what. almost. I think that's a piece of OSB. I think all the wood and the glues act as a lubricant when I'm getting down in there. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, didn't lubricate it good that time, did it? That thing. It sounded like somebody just drove by on a weed eater. Uh-oh. You can see the lubrication coming out through there. Oh gosh. Okay, I gotta get serious now. Try a little switcheroo on her. Oh, beautiful. This whole plate is hot. Oh well, I'm gonna go take it and shape this all up. That looks all kinds of crooked, so take care of that. Well, I got that put on there and I warped it a little bit when I welded it, so I gotta clamp her down on the table and heat her up right here and then let her cool down. I'm going to heat it up. Right here I've warped it. But I returned the torch off. Yeah, I did. Really heat it up. You really need to heat it up on the other side, but I heat it all the way through that way. Do the same thing. There's a piece of angle iron underneath the table right here. So this table is a 3/8 top and it is braced up right where I'm doing this at. It is taking some heat too. There we go. Now we got some heat coming out, going into it. gutters are fairly red. Just slide back up again a little bit. Alright, now we got a heater in the shop for a minute. It's not too bad out here today though, really. Yep, I gotta cool that off and I gotta figure out where I'm gonna get some 1/2-inch round rod at. So I'm gonna go look for that. I've decided to try to hurry up and get this done because they might be waiting on me. They didn't say. Or if they did say, I wasn't paying attention. Got a nice cool bucket of water. I already marked it. About it. Oh, it's just a tiny bit. Oh well, I'm not going to worry about it. This is cooled off now. Yeah, that's flat now. Flat. So I'm going to go doctor this up. This is it all done. Let's throw it by the other one and compare. It's got a rebar handle. I'm sorry. So that's it. This one's a lot higher quality though, because I made it. Well, I gotta go deliver.